Yes. Go ahead.
So what happened to the mitzvot that someone that converted performed before it? Like, do they still count, or they're like just blanks?
Okay, that's a very good question. Thank you very much. First of all, as we said, when a person can convert, he gets a new neshama. So whatever he did before is gone basically. On one hand, on another hand, it's also good. For example, if somebody owned money, right? So he was one person, right? And then he was Peter, let's say, right? I hope nobody's name is Peter here. So his name were Paul or Peter, right? And now he became Abraham, right? So Peter owned money to somebody. He was not such a clean person, but now Abraham is a different person. So of course we say he's not obligated to return of the loans because it's not him that took the loans, but we say it's proper, absolutely proper, and very, 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 very recommended to do so. Like for example, so I placed one order online, and then something went wrong. I placed again, but I thought that first that I tried to cancel the first order. It was some error, so I thought it was canceled. It says the cancellation request was sent, and the next day I placed like order for the same item. That's what I wanted anyway, right? And they sent me confirmation that actually the first order was shipped. So I called this company. It's actually Home Depot, right? So I asked them, please cancel my first order. Then the second order, say no problem, no problem. I mean, I just placed it, and it was, this item was on sale, right? It was like half a price or like clearance or whatever, right? So this lady was typing, and she said, okay, so you got yourself this full amount. And then she gave me the price. I said, thank you very much, but that's not what I paid. And she said, like it took me a minute to explain that it was on sale. I pay only this price. And she was so amazed. She said, wow, I cannot believe. She said, most of the people would keep quiet, would not mention. I said, I'm a Jew and I'm a religious Jew. And she started explaining it was big Kiddush Hashem. She blessed me. I blessed her, this lady. Right. So it's very, very important to show that because I'm a Jew, because I follow the rules of God, that's what I do. You understand? And even give them extra. Like I give them compliments. I left like a very good review to this lady, but she was so amazed, and she said, she said, after we hang up, I'm going to tell my supervisor, because last week there are a few people who tried to take advantage, unfortunately, of her and her team, and do all of these shady deals, right? I don't want your money. You give me a favor. You cancel the second order. So that's good. That's good. Baruch Hashem. So that's so part of the question, part of the answer. Like it's a different person. It's a different person. But on another hand, so some people complain that conversion it's taking very long time. So Rabbi Reuben Shlita explained it beautifully. He said, look, you're going to do it. You're planning to do it anyway, right? So you're planning to do it anyway till the rest of your life. So continue doing it. Like when Hashem have mercy on you. So it's going to happen. So I have students in one country, and it's a very poor country. Like many people are poor, and these people, especially this couple, they were trying to convert for 9+ years until I met them, and unfortunately, right? It's all of this. So and they do not have money, and that Beis Din wants money like they live in US minimum. Even more, even in US, if you go through Beezrat Hashem, it's like we have special discount. It's going to be even cheaper than they wanted this third world country. You understand? So and they said, well, what to do if we don't have money? I said, what can you do? So continue doing whatever you're doing, since you're going to plan to do it anyway. And when Hashem has mercy, so He's going to send you the opportunity, right? So even though the mitzvahs lost in some way, but on another hand, you have a good training. Now you're ready, right? Now a person ready. He's been doing it for so long, and he's ready. He moves in. So I always scared when people they learn like superficially, like even cover the basic of the basic of the base superficially, and they want to convert and go to the Jew. Like from the day one, from first Shabbos, you're going to be Mechal Shabbos. Why do you need that? Why do you need that? Take your time. Take another 6 months or 1 year, whatever time you need. Okay. Yeah.